Welcome to MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX that's available at our store here in Rogers. Beautiful boat here. You've got a black upper, a white middle, and a black hull bottom. As you can see here, we have the bimini top open. Just an overall great boat. Nice big swim platform here. This year we do have the submersible swim platform that does go down. I can't put it all the way down because it drives up, and a nice ladder here to get in and out of the boat. This is powered by a 200 horsepower MerCruiser. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside this 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX. As you can see here, we've got a nice entryway into the boat. It's good for your friends and family to get in and out of the boat, as well as your dogs. Underneath this hatch is the engine. Again, this is a 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower MerCruiser. Got plenty of storage around the boat. Nice compartment here for your shoes and your dock lines, as well as a self-draining cooler in here. This does have the dune upholstery and the tan snap-in sea deck right here. Looking at the Helm Station here, beautiful setup. We've got the two bucket seats, captain and co-captain. You can also get this boat option with a bench seating as well. Up at the helm, we have your standard tacks and your depth gauge. This is equipped with the Elite package. So you have the LED lighting, stainless steel components, and this also has the upgraded upholstery. This is powered by Fusion Audio. Great sound quality across the boat here. As we move into the bow of this boat, again, we have more storage on both starboard and port side. And a great feature I like here is you can take out the bow cushion so you can step on and off the boat. And as well, this year we have a locker here for your anchor. This is located at our store in Rogers. Please feel free to stop by, give us a call, and we look forward to seeing all of you.